Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing video is gonna be on the, let me get the info out. I'm looking at, straight from Amazon, this is the title that they have. The Wahl Clipper Home Barber Kit 79524-3001 Electric Clipper, Touch Up Trimmer, and Personal Groomer. And then it's the 30-piece kit for professional style hair cutting at home. That's the whole title on Amazon. So basically it comes with the clippers. You guys are familiar with what that looks like. It's the it's not wireless, it's the cord one. And the touch-up trimmer is electrical, so you put batteries in it. And then the third, the electric clipper or the touch-up trimmer. I think the electric clipper is the smaller one. You could use that to cut your nose hairs, your ear hairs, and if you have any hair on your earlobe or whatever, to cut that hair off. Anyways, this cost me $45.32, still the same price, and it's currently in stock. Today's January 3rd, so you guys can go ahead and look at that. Now let's get on to the unboxing. Alrighty then, so here's the box, here's my knife. Let's get to the unboxing. Now I will be putting the link in the descriptions below, so if you guys want to purchase this, you guys can. Anyways, let's open this shit up. Let's put this away. Bubble wrap. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. So here is the Wahl Home Barber Kit. Let's see if you guys can see that. Right there. See that? Wahl Signature Series Home Barber Kit, Chrome Pro Clipper, and matching mini. The Amazon doesn't have it exactly the same as that title, so that top one shows different types of clippers. I got the first one. Let's see. Soft storage zipper. Okay, it comes with the clipper zipper case, whatever. So it comes with the mirror, comb, that thing so you could spray water onto your hair or the person you're cutting. Obviously it comes with different sizes, combs. There's a picture of everything right there, everything that comes with it. Here's the side, taper control, customizes each cut. A variety of 13 guide combs makes it easy to get the perfect cut. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to cut hair at home. I've cut hair, my own hair before. It's hard to cut the sides. I really need to cut the sides because the hair bothers me. It tickles the inside of my ear, or it just bothers me when I'm trying to go to sleep or throughout the day. So I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep growing my top hair, but I definitely gotta cut my sides. Alright, this is the list of everything that's included with it. The multi-cut clipper, blade guard, personal trimmer with detail head, reciprocating head, cordless touch-up trimmer, blade guard, the soft storage case, 2 hair clippers or clips, barber comb, styling comb, mirror, spray bottle, cleaning brush, blade oil, scissors, cape. So I'm guessing the cape is
that thing barbers put on you so you don't get hair all over your clothes. 12 guide combs. I'm not gonna read all of them out. English and Spanish instructions styling guide. Comes with a double A battery required. 2 double A batteries required. I guess it doesn't come with it. Includes 30-day money back guarantee, 2-year limited warranty, 2 clipper trimmers, and 5-year warranty for the clippers. Okay. 30-piece kit includes soft storage case, precision edged self-sharpening blades are perfect for touch-ups. There you go. Cordless trimmer with 2 interchangeable heads removes unwanted hair without nicking or pulling. That's what I was talking about. Spray bottom mirror guide combs and a variety of other accessories help you cut hair like a professional. Thumb adjusted taper control allows multiple cutting lengths with a simple flip of the lever. Self-sharpening high carbon steel blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer. 35% what? Power drive cutting system easily cuts the thickest hair with 35% more power than standard Wahl electromagnetic motor clippers. Ergonomic shape makes it easy to hold and cut at different angles. You'll be in Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's see what's inside the damn box. Tape. What the heck? There we go. Does it come in? Yep, it comes pretty much in there. What's in here? Nothing. Nada. And then nothing is in here. Oh shit, it landed inside the chair on my back. So this is all in here. Let's see how organized it is. Oh, not that organized, but at least it has everything, right? So here's the scissors, just like any other scissors. Here's the mirror. Yeah, let's put it back in here. Instructions. Yep. What is this? Haircutting home. This like the warranty stuff. This is actually like more instructions on it. I'm guessing this is the cape. Yep, it's the cape. I don't want to open it because I don't want to try to fold it back exactly the same way. I'm not gonna get it right. So here are the combs. I'll probably keep the bag nice and neat so I can put it back in here. I actually use a scissors to cut like a little hole right there, and then I could put the stuff back in that bag. Keep it nice and neat, or together so it's not all over the place. Alright, so here's those 2 combs. Might need to make the hole a little bit bigger. Alright. Bunch of combs, different sizes. Left ear, right ear. So I'm not gonna take them out. You guys should already know what the clipper combs, the clip-on combs look like. So I'll put that on the side. Alright, this thing, it has some weight to it, so that means it feels durable, basically, and it feels nice. Cool. So it's the cord one. Taper the lever for if you want to do fades on it. Alright, let's see. This is the little spray bottle. So you just fill it up with H2O and then take this cap off and then spray. I'll keep this inside this bag right here. Might as well. Keep everything together. Put the mirror in there too, and the scissors. Alright, everything's in there. Minus the freaking cape. Now, I do not know what these are called. These are probably what they use to hold females' hair to cut it, or someone's hair, anyone's hair. I don't know what they're called. This is gonna be one of the line-up trimmer. Nope, the small trimmer. I guess it doesn't come with batteries. Nope. This, you could switch out the head for something else. Let me see if I could put it back. How do you put this thing back? Oh, there we go. So this is the one that cuts like your sideburns or your ear hair. I have no idea where the other one is. Where's the other piece? This is like the oil and the little brush to clean your clippers. Keep everything together, might as well, so you guys don't have to go searching all over the place or lose anything. So put this inside. Here's the other head. This is for your nose hairs. See that? That's got your like nose hairs. It's not spherical like the other ones I'm used to, but it does the job. Alright, so that's that. I don't think it's like on the electric trimmers, it's not like metal, it's like plastic but chrome. It's plastic chrome, like that fake chrome. This one also does not come with batteries. This is a touch-up trimmer. Let's see. Actually, no. This is also plastic. It just looks chromed. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all that comes with it. And at least it comes with this bag. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this. Give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe to my channel, and watch more of my videos. Anyways, you guys know what to do. Alright, later. Peace out, guys.